Wait, did you guys know that? Because the light's flickering on the eyes. And the eyes are what's bloodshot. You got the light, turn it off, it makes the high go away. You guys didn't know that? I read that up on the... Like, it's high in the light, in the dark, right? and you turn the light on, it'll make the high go away, like they're all of a sudden the flash. But if you're getting high in the light, and you turn the light off, then it ruins.
Holy fucking.
True story, eh?
Who told you this?
I heard it on the internet, man. NoWeed.com. Get pretty sober soon. Well, not really. We'll just make it go away for a second. Plus the light goes on. Say we're getting high right here in the dark. And we turn the light off. The light flashes and takes the highway because the eyes are...
You don't know what you're talking about.
I don't know what I'm talking about either. Dog's humping my leg. Oh, now he's humping my shoes, man. No, he's humping that, didn't he?
Don't.
No, you could do that, man. I left my feet smell like dog. Like my ex-girlfriend, man. Forget her. You know who she cheated on me with? She cheated on me with Dale, man. My cousin, Dale Clifford, man. But it's good to have good family like us right here. Look, we're good. This is us. And you're going to be part of the Pauls. Here. The Book-a-lons. Here. Here, give me props. You're going to be part of the book. We're the books. We're the books. The Book-a-lons. The book.